Hello students, class 10th, subject biology, chapter 2, how do organisms reproduce. Students, in earlier two videos of this chapter, you learn about mode of reproduction, asexual, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Now, today we start the sexual reproduction in human beings. Human beings sexual reproduction. Human beings get sexual maturity at a certain age. ठीक है ना? That's the age is puberty age. And puberty अगर हम define करें तो it is a age on which at which the gametes are produced and one can said to be the sexual mature. ठीक है? On the sexual maturity, there are some dramatical changes we see in the girl or in the boy, male and female. Some are very common and some are differentiate. Common most we are looking that hair growth in armpits and genital area, both in the boys and girls. In boys, there are thick facial hair growth and voice begin to crack. In girl, the breast size increase and start of menstruations. So these are the age of puberty on we are getting the different changes in boys and girls and they are become sexual mature. Okay, now the male reproductive system. Okay, male reproductive system consists of mainly four parts. The primary reproductive part in the male, it is about of testes. This testes that perform the two main function. Number one, they form the sperm. एक तो स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन का काम करते हैं. नंबर टू, दे रिलीज सेक्स हार्मोन, इट इज टेस्टोस्टेरोन, विच ब्रिंग द सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर इन ह्यूमन मेल लाइक बेयर्स एंड माउस्टेक. टेस्टिस, फ्रॉम द टेस्टिस अ ट्यूबुलर पार्ट, अ ट्यूब इज अराइज दैट इज अ वॉज डिफरेंट. क्या कहते हैं उसको हम? वॉज डिफरेंट, विच कैरी द स्पर्म फ्रॉम टेस्टिस टू द, ठीक है ना. आफ्टर दैट this was different is unite with the urethra. At the junction of that, there are the two accessory glands, seminal vesicle and prostate gland. These glands are the important in reproduction because they are provide the nutrition to the sperm and give the mobility to the sperm. After the union, a single tube open into the muscular organ penis. And it is a ejectory way in human male where they eject the sperm as well as urine. So this is the about of the different part of male reproductive system. Now we see the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of mainly four parts. The primary organ, it is ovary. Ovaries are two in number, means they are in a pair. Okay? That having two important function. Number one, they release the ovum or egg. Okay, this is a female gamete. Number two, that release the hormone estrogen, ठीक है ना, and progesterone, which bring the secondary sexual character in human female. Two ovaries with open into a funnel shaped structure that you are looking. It is a fallopian tube or oviduct. This is the site of fertilization in human female. Both fallopian tubes open into a worm-like structure, pear-shaped structure. That pear-shaped structure is said to be worm or uterus, where the vote of embryo implantate. जहाँ पर embryos क्या होता है? Implant होता है. And here implantate with the mother's uterine wall, ठीक है, by a special tissue. That special tissue is what said to be the placenta. So all the life processes of the embryo like exchange of gases, removing of fat, nutrition takes place by this placenta. Okay. The uterus open into vagina. Vagina simply birth canal by the cervix. Okay. Now hallmark of very important feature in human females, it is a menstruation. We are looking what it is? Menstruation. each ovary, ठीक है ना, each ovary in every month release alternate one egg. The egg is fertilized into the fallopian tube. Fertilized eggs comes into the uterus. Uterus prepare for the vote of fertilized egg. If there is a vote of no fertilization, ठीक है ना, the egg is just released for 24 hours or 1 day in the uterus, and with the fleshy wall of uterus it is leading as a bleed, ठीक है, that is what said to be the menstruation. It is last for 2 to 7-8 days, and after that it is automatically stopped. Okay, so this is the vote of female reproductive system. Now the reproduction and health, reproductive health. The sexual act is a very intimate connection of bodies. देखिए सेक्सुअल हमने स्टार्ट में पढ़ा था कि रिप्रोडक्शन इज नॉट एसेंशियल फॉर सर्वाइव. तो सेक्सुअल एक्ट जो है वो क्या इंटीमेट कनेक्शन होता है बॉडी के साथ, ठीक है ना. और देयर इज अ वोट ऑफ सरप्राइजिंग दैट मेनी डिजीजेज कैन बी स्प्रेडेड बाय सेक्सुअल कॉन्टैक्ट. So those diseases which spread by the sexual contact are said to be STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. अब STDs that are transferred either by bacteria or by virus. तो अगर हमको पूछें कि बैक्टीरिया से कौन सी STDs होती हैं, तो we can give the name of gonorrhea and syphilis. And if you are asking STDs by virus, it is warts and HIV/AIDS. Very commonly you all heard the name of HIV/AIDS, human immunovirus HIV. AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. अब ये कैसे ट्रांसफर होता है, ठीक है ना. तो बाय सेक्सुअल कॉन्टैक्ट, बाय ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन, ठीक है, बाय इन्फेक्टेड निडल, बाय बार्बर्स ब्रेड. दीज आर द डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ ट्रांसफर ऑफ या मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ एड्स. ओके, नाउ with the reproduction the population is increased. The next it is we are looking about the contraceptive methods. Contraceptive, that's meaning is to prevent the fusion of male and female gametes. That means what? We should control the population. You are asking what are contraceptive methods or what measures you are take to control the population. So there are the three important methods. ठीक है. Number 1, mechanical barrier method. That's mechanical barrier method by male or female, ठीक है ना. Different devices are available like condoms, cervical caps, etc. that can be vote of use by the human male or female and prevent the vote of fusion of male and female gamete that stop the pregnancies. Okay. Number 2 is chemical method, that is the oral pills, ठीक है, or using a IUCDs, that intrauterine contraceptive devices like copper T. And number 3 is surgical method, ठीक है ना, that is vasectomy in male. In male vasectomy students अभी हमने पढ़ा था कि जो was different male में होता है that can be vote of cut and is through cut and it's vote of tied. By what the sperms are do not transfer and that prevent the fusion of gametes. Same in female, there is a vasectomy. The surgically fallopian tubes can cut and tied by what the egg is not transferred and not fusion is takes place. So these are the methods of what population control. Population of a particular part of country or country, how we can say we get the stability of population. तो पॉपुलेशन इज स्टेबल बाय द 2 फैक्टर्स, ग्रोथ रेट एंड बर्थ रेट. ठीक है. अब अगर बर्थ रेट बढ़ेगा, ग्रोथ रेट कम होगा, तो पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है. और अगर दोनों स्टेबल हैं तो पॉपुलेशन भी क्या होती है, स्टेबल. ठीक है ना. और हम देखते हैं कि पॉपुलेशन डे बाय डे ग्रोइंग हो रहा है, उसके पीछे कुछ रीजंस हैं. इन आवर हाई सोसाइटीज़ वी आर लुकिंग देयर इज़ अ वोट ऑफ किलिंग ऑफ गर्ल फेटिसाइड्स. ठीक है ना. सो वी शुड स्टॉप दैट and maintaining the both death and birth rate, ठीक है ना, by what we can control the population, है ना. This is our chapter of reproduction is over. ठीक है ना. You learn the chapter very nicely. ठीक है. Thank you all for today.